Hey, g'day there. Let's check out the brand new 12 24 volt, 3-speed, 360-degree hardwire fans in white and black. You ripper! So for those out there that want a hardwired, permanently installed fan, these things are absolutely sensational. Now, with their brushless DC motor, they use 3.6 watts or 0.3 of an amp in the old school scale. That's right, 0.3 of an amp. How cool is that? The beauty about being such low power consumption, you can have a fair few of these hooked up in your setup, maybe blow the breeze in from the door or a rooftop van, blowing in and creating a nice draft through your whole setup. How cool is that? Now, check this out. We've got 360 degrees of rotation. So if you can't find a position that this fan can't reach, I will be blown away. You ripper. So not only being able to reach just about any area, when it comes time to pack up and travel, what you do is you stow her away, press the little locking tab, and she's going to stay in position till next time you need it. How cool is that? Your fan couldn't be any easier to operate. You've got your little touch panel there, and it is on both sides, so you can get it from both angles. Now you've got your slow, your medium, or your high. Nice whisper quiet operation, which is really, really cool. And we also have an inbuilt timer as well. So you've got your 3, your 6, your 9, and your 12-hour timer. How cool is that? We've also got fingerproof fan blades. So check this out. No matter what happens with prying fingers, you're not going to cut them off. You ripper. So mounting is literally a breeze. With the included backing plate, we give you some screws, a 2-wire installation, we give you the wiring ready to rock and roll, automatic 12 or 24 volt detection. And if you get stuck, we've also got the QR code on the box. Just scan it and it'll give you all the instructions. You ripper. There you have it, the KickAss 360-degree 3-speed hardwired fans. Head online or head in store today. You ripper.